Good morning, children. Welcome back to our math class with a new topic, division, under the lesson number 3, multiplication, division and their applications. The word division is familiar for you, right? Yes. Then what do you mean by division? Yes, equal sharing or equal grouping. Then we can just recall the terms of division. Okay? 84 divided by 12 is equal to 7. What is 84? 84 is dividend. The name of 84 is dividend. Then 12 divisor and 7 quotient. Then how can we represent in these three terms in the long division method? We have to use this bracket for the long division. Then inside of this bracket, what we are using? We should write dividend. Inside of bracket, dividend. Outside, divisor. Then upper side, quotient. That means answer we should write upper side. Next, properties of division. The first property, n number divided by 1 gives the number itself. Example, 78 divided by 1 is equal to 78. When we divide by 1, we will get the number itself. The second property, any number divided by itself, we give 1 as the quotient. How can we represent the numeral form? 78 divided by 78 is equal to 1. Here we have divided by using that same number itself, isn't it? Then what is the answer? The answer always will be 1. Third property, 0 divided by any number except 0 gives 0. Example, 0 divided by 78 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 5, what is the answer? 0. 0 divided by 100, 0. That means 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. Last one, we cannot divide by 0. That means 78 divided by 0. We cannot write like this form. This statement is wrong. We cannot write like this form. That means we cannot divide by 0. Okay? Today's our topic, long division with 2-digit divisor. You can see here a family photograph. This family is going to help you to remember the steps in long division. Now let me introduce our family members. Dad, mom, sister. Our pet cat name is Choppy. Our pet cat name Choppy. Brother. Our pet dog is Rex. How many members in this family? There are 6 members in our family. Each person represents a steps in the long division process. We are starting with Dad. What Dad is doing? Dad is doing divide. Dad starting letter with D. So doing divide. Then mom, multiply. Sister, subtract. Choppy, check. Brother, bring down. And Rex, repeat or remainder. This is the order to do the steps in long division process. According to this order, we are going to do the long division. First divide, then multiply, then subtract, fourth check, and fifth bring down, and sixth repeat or remainder. Children, let us start long division. 1278 divided by 53. 1278 inside the bracket and 53 outside the bracket. Step 1. Dad step, that is divide. We are starting from the first digit of the dividend. What is first digit? 1. Can we divide 1 by 53? No, because 1 is less than 53. So, place 0 in the quotient above the 1. Take next digit, 2 also. That means take together 12. Can we divide 12 by 53? No, because 12 is less than 53. So, place again one more 0 in the dividend above the 2. Go to the next digit, 7. Then take 127 together. Can we divide 127 by 53? Yes, because 127 is bigger than 53. Then how many times? How many times 53 can take from this 127? We can check. This 53 tables little bit difficult for you, right? So it is easy method. You can take 50. 50 is nearby 53. So you can take this 50. Then check how many times 50 goes in 127. Then 50's table, 50 2's are 100, 50 3's are 150. When we are taking 3 times, it will be more than 127. 150 is more than 127. So we cannot take 3 times. Then go back 2 times. That means 50 2's are 100. Then you just calculate 53 2's are. When you are doing here 53 2's are, you will get less than 127. So you can take 2 times. Choose this 2 time and write in the quotient above the 7. You should place 2 in the quotient above the 7. Mom is going to do step 2, that is multiply. Here 2 was the quotient now. Okay, then multiply 53 by 2. When we are multiply 53 and 2, we will get 106. This 106 you should write under the 127. Okay, you should write this 106 under the 127. This is the step 2. What is sister is doing? Sister is going to do subtract. That is step 3. Then 106 subtract from 127. That means 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the step 3. Very important role for our Chopi in this long division, because Chopi is doing check. That is the step 4. Whenever you are getting the difference, you must check whether the difference is smaller than the divisor. Because if it is not smaller, you must divide a larger number in the previous step. Here 21 is less than 53. This 21 is smaller than 53. So we can go to the next step. Next, our step 5, our sweet brother. He is going to do bring down. Go to the next digit in the dividend. That is 8 here. That 8 should bring down. Your cute Rex is going to do step 6. That is repeat or remainder. In these steps, where you decide whether you repeat the 6 steps of division. When we are repeating, whenever we bring down a digit, then you have to repeat the steps from beginning. Again we came back our dad for repeating. What our father is doing, our dad is doing, divide. Then 218 divided by 53 we have to do now, right? Then how many 53s can repeat in 218? For that we are taking 50s. It is easy for you. That's why 50s. How many 50s will go into 218? 50 into 4 is equal to 200. Then you have to just calculate 53 into 4. 53 multiplied by 4 what? You will get 212. Yes, 212 okay. Because here 218, then 212 we can take. That means 53 into 4. These 4 times you should place above the 8. In the quotient, you should place 4 above this 8. Again our mom, that is multiply. Multiply 53 and 4. 53 multiplied by 4 what? 53 multiplied by 4 is equal to 212. That 212 you should place under the 218. Then our sister subtract. Subtract 212 from 218. 8 minus 2, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Again we came back our Choppy. Choppy is checking whether 6 is less than 53 or not. Yes, here 6 is smaller, less than only. So we can go to the next step. Now our brother trying to bring down. But in our dividend, there is no other number to bring down. Every number over now. Nothing to bring down. So go to the next step. Now our Rex can do his work. That is repeat or remainder. There is nothing to bring down now. So we cannot repeat. Our X cannot repeat. So this 6 we can write as a remainder. 6 we can write as a remainder. Then remainder is equal to 6 and quotient. What is quotient? Quotient is 24. You have solved your problem using your family members, isn't it? Then you have to check yourself whether your answer is correct or not. How can we check? Just go through your previous knowledge. In your 4th standard you have learned that, isn't it? Just go through that. Then this is the way. From the quotient, we are starting from the quotient. Then quotient multiply by this 53. What is 53? Divisor. Again we should add with this 6. What is 6? Remainder. Then you will get the answer. What is that? You will reach in this dividend. That means quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Then you should calculate 24 into 53. Then you will get 1272. After that you should add plus 6. This is the remainder, isn't it? Remainder you should add with this. You will get 1278. Is this 1278 here dividend? Yes, it is dividend only. So your answer is correct. Children, you should remember the order of the family members for solving the long division problem. Who is the head of the family? Our head of the family is dad. So first dad, then mom, then sister. After that sister's pet Choppy. Then brother. After that brother's pet is Rex. Okay. This is the order to solve long division problem. You should always remember this.